Hi, I'm back. This is the second video for Monday, June 8th, 2020. Okay, we're still on page 98 in the student book. We're going to continue to work on present perfect continuous tense in this video. Okay, so let me read the little note in the book, and you can read along with me. It says, use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past and continue to work to now and will probably continue into the future. Okay, in the future. Okay, so that's what present perfect is, right? And remember what the formula? This is what have, has plus been. Okay, short sound. Been plus what? Plus the base plus ing. Okay, so have, has plus been plus base plus ing. Okay, all right. By the way, I didn't mention this, but the base plus ing is also called present participle. Okay, that's the present participle form. Remember, this one is the past participle, right? Participle of the verb be, right? Okay, it's the be verb. Past participle form of be verb. We'll say PP, but present participle is also PP, but we don't really say PP, right? We just say present participle, which is ing. Okay, so that's the formula for the present perfect continuous. Okay, all right. So let me read the examples that we have here in the book. Okay, the first one, it says, have you been living here for a long time? Have you been living here for a long time? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has Tony been working here for a long time? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Have they been working here for a long time? Yes, they have. No, they have not. Okay, or no, they haven't. Okay. All right. The second group is how long questions, right? How long have you been working for a job? I'm sorry. How long have you been looking for a job? Okay, and how long has Tony been working as a teacher's assistant? And how long have they been working at the school? Okay, so if they ask a since question, you say since October. Okay, it's a point in time with since. And if they say for, you say for about a year. Okay, for is a span of time or period of time. Okay, all right. So again, in general, present perfect continuous tense is for non-specific time reference, but you can make it specific by using the words for and since. Okay, and that's what that little note says in the blue box there. Useful language, right? It says use since with specific times. Okay, like since 2011, and it says use for with periods of time. For example, for 2 months. Okay, so let's look at the first practice example here. It says, how long has Talia been practicing for her driving test? Okay, we use has in number one because why? Because Talia is a third person singular, so you use has, right? So how long has Talia been? How long has Talia been practicing for her driving test? Okay, since it's for, you gotta use what? Span of time. For about 3 months. Okay, 3 months is a span of time. Okay, how about number two? How about number two? How about number two? Remember, you can always pause the video before I give you the answer. Okay, just pause the video. You can push the space bar or the letter K to stop the video in YouTube. Okay, all right. Second one is a blank you, and then the verb is work, here for a long time. So what do you think the answer is? You gotta say what? It says, you say what? How long, okay, have you, okay, been working? I'm sorry. This is not a how long question, right? Sorry about that. It's just have you question, right? Have you been, okay, have you been here for a long time? Okay, so have you been here for a long time? Have you been here for a long time? He says, no, I have not, right? Or contraction is, no, I haven't. I started 6 days ago. Okay, all right, number 3. Now that's a how long question. Okay, so it's how long, okay, in is a maybe a Chinese name. I don't know. Is that a man or a woman? Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's a third person singular. Okay, how long? So you gotta put has, right? Because it's third person singular, right? Third person singular. How long has in, okay, been, okay, and then verb is look. So you gotta put looking, right? How long has in been looking for a job? Okay, for a job with a question mark. All right, and then it says last year. Is last year a span of time or point in time? Last year. Okay, if you say 1 year, that's a span of time. But if it's last year, it's one point in time, right? There are many years in the past. There's only one last year, right? So it's a point in time. So you gotta use what? Since. Since last year. Okay. All right. So you gotta say what? Since last year. Okay. Okay. In has been looking for a job since last year. Okay. All right. Number 4. Number 4. Mr. Rivera. Mr. Rivera. Okay. Again, that's a third person singular, right? So what do? You say has, right? It's one person, third person singular. Has Mr. Rivera what? Been interviewing, okay? Has Mr. Rivera been interviewing what? People all day? Okay? Has Mr. Rivera been interviewing people all day? Okay? All right? So, answer is yes. Yes, what? Yes, he has. Okay? Yes, he has. Okay? Very simple. Okay? Third person singular, you gotta use has. Okay? Just since it's a question form, you gotta use has before the subject, which is Mr. Rivera. Okay? And then past participle of be is been, and then interviewing. Okay? Interview is the verb. That's the base form. You just put ing. Present participle form. Okay. All right. Let's do a couple more in this book. Let me erase this. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, just send me an email. I know this is pretty easy after a couple of them. Okay. So just let me know. Okay. If you have any problems. Okay. Number 5. Okay, it says how long. Okay, you, okay, so right there, when you see you, okay, as long as it's not third person singular, you know it has to be have, right? Everything else is have, right? I have, you have, and then we have, you have, and then they have. So only the third person is singular. So you is second person, so you know it's have. So how long have you what? Wait. Okay, so you got to put been for present perfect continuous. Been working, waiting. Okay, waiting. Wait is the base. Just put the ing. Okay, how long have you been waiting? Waiting to get an interview. To get an interview. Question mark. Okay, and then you say March. Okay, March. Okay, what's March? Is that a point in time or span of time? Okay, if it said 1 month, okay, that's a span of time. But if you just say March, that's a point in time. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, and March, okay, is a specific point. Okay, in that year. Okay, so you're gonna say since March. Okay, since is for point of time, right? Okay, March is a point in time. It's a point in time. Okay, since March. All right. If it was a month, okay, you would have said what? For a month. Okay, which is a period or span of time. Okay, and if you, or you could have said since what? Since a month ago. Okay, because you could have done that. Okay, which is also what? A point in time. Okay. Okay, do you see that? Okay. So you can say since March, for a month, or since a month ago. Okay. All right. Let's do the last one there. Number 6. Number 6. Okay. How long? How long? Blank. Okay. Okay. What's the verb there? How long is they? Right. Subject is they. So what do you think the verb is? Okay. Auxiliary verb. It is have, right? Because it's not third person singular. This is third person plural, right? So how long have they go? What's go? Okay? Okay, so let's say been going. Okay, it's a present participle form, right? How long have they been going to night school? To night school. And it says 1 year. Okay, again. All right. Is that a span of time or point in time? Is that a period of time or point in time? 1 year is a span of time or period of time, right? It's a period, okay? 1 year, that's a period. If you said 2019, that's a point in time, right? But a year is a point span of time. So you gotta say for 1 year. Or you could say what? Since what? 2019, okay? Or you could say what? You could say since 1 year ago. Okay, so this is a period of time, and since 2019 is a point in time, and since 1 year ago is a point in time. Okay, all right. I hope that was easy. Okay, I hope that was easy, and I think most of you understand that. All right, let's go to the workbook. Okay, let's go to the workbook. Workbook page 92. Okay, page 92 in the workbook. Okay, let's do page 92 in the workbook. Okay, let's do page 92. Page 92 in the workbook. Okay, page 92 in the workbook. All right. All right. Let's look at okay, that's what we are right now. Okay, page 92 in the workbook. Okay, this section right here. Okay, section 2. Write sentences. Use present perfect continuous with for, since, and all. Okay, for, since, and all. Okay, the first one is already done for us. Okay, it says Kendra worked in the library October. Kendra worked in the library October. So you say what? Kendra has, right? Third person singular. Kendra is a third person singular. Kendra has been working in the library, and then October. What's October? October is span of time or period of time. Just like March, October is a point in time. So you gotta say since October. Remember? Let me just write that again. Since is what? Is what? Since is point. Point in time, right? Okay, and then if you put for, that's a period or span of time. This is so hard to write here. Okay, and then if you put since plus span of time plus what? Ago is a point in time, right? All right. Just remember that, okay? All right. So that's what that is. Okay? All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2. Number 2 says Frank and Marta study computers 2 years, okay? So you got to say Frank and Marta, okay, it's they, basically. And that's third person plural, so you got to do what? Okay? You say have, right? Have been what? Studying. Okay, what have they been studying? They've been studying computers, right? Okay, Frank and Marta have been studying computers. Okay, which one? 2 years. 2 years. 2 years is a what? Is a span of time, right? So I gotta say for 2 years, okay? You can say for 2 years, or since 2018, or since 2 years ago, right? Very easy. All right, number 3. Carla, okay, automatically gotta do has, right? Carla is a third person singular. Carla has been looking, okay, I'm gonna skip for a job, okay? Looking for a job, okay, January. Okay, January is a point in time, so I gotta put since January, okay, since January. Or you could say what? For 1 month, or for 3 months, okay? Okay, it's June now, so January was what? 5 months ago, so you say for 5 months, or since 5 months ago, okay? See the all three different examples, okay? Okay, let's do number 4. Number 4. I wait for an interview 1:30 p.m. Okay, so I have automatically, first person singular is have. I have been waiting. I have been waiting for an interview 1:30. 1:30 is what? Is a exact point in time, right? That's very clear, right? 1:30 is a point in time. So you say what? Since. Okay? So you say, I have been waiting since 1:30 for an interview. Okay, 1:30. Or you can say, I have been waiting for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay? Or you can say, since 30 minutes ago. Since an hour and a half ago. Okay? All right, very good. Number 5. You talk on the phone 2 hours. Okay? So, you have been talking on the phone 2 hours, okay? So obviously, span of time is 4, right? 2 hours, okay? 2 hours. All right, number 6. Number 6, we is obviously have, okay? We have been using the library computers, okay? We have been using the library computer morning, okay? We haven't talked about this yet. Okay, so morning, we don't say since morning, So we're gonna say what? Let's say all morning. Okay, okay. We have been using using all morning. Okay, using the library computers all morning. Okay, we have been using the library computers all morning. Okay, or if you want to do since, you can do what? Since this morning, you can do it that way. Okay, or all morning. Okay. All right, number 7. What's number 7? Number 7 is Kamel, is a third person singular, has been driving a cab for 20 years, okay? 20 years is a span of time, so you say 4, okay? And the last one is Gloria. Gloria has been cooking, right? Cooking, again, all day, okay? Gloria has been cooking all day. All right, so these are some ways you can use present perfect continuous, okay? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, see you soon. Bye.